is related to the world around us. That always teach nature, especially as schematic. Nature is our primary source of connection to our spiritual realms. So disconnect from the noise of the social media, disconnect from the virtual world, and reconnect with nature around you. I'll give you practical steps. Nature immersion. Nature immersion, immerse yourself in nature. Take a walk in a park. Take a walk in a small savanna, small forest. Take a walk around the sea, around the ocean, around the water. Take the walk alone without distraction.